Well, Emily, this is a rare combination. So Henry didn't get out of bed, and John's not feeling well.
Get out of bed.
So it's me and you.
This is you and me. Awesome.
And with a little. So Emily, you're on YouTube right now. Smile.
Hello, YouTube.
So it is me and my daughter-in-law Emily. So probably not a very long fishing session, but maybe we'll be here all day. Who knows?
Okay, which one should I choose?
Here, let me. Let me start you with this. It's cold, so they're moving a little bit slower. I think something along the bottom is probably going to be a good deal. So let's go with a shaky head to start with. And see if this can get you. GoPro, start recording. Well, got one finally. There he goes. Got him on the little Ned rig. Barely got him to shore, but that counts. All right, didn't get stunk. Awesome. This thing has saved my bacon a couple of times. I probably need to be tying it on more. Oh man, thanks for playing, buddy. Well, walking back in, thankfully the Bass Pro Shop Netto stick saved the day for me. And you know, some days, especially if you get into winter, the victory's got to be enjoying being outside in the beautiful weather. And thankfully didn't get skunked, so hope you guys enjoyed watching and enjoyed this beautiful view.